method for today is not like our old watch videos and get paid content. This method is absolutely brand new and it's fresh. It's so new that not a lot of people know about this method yet. And today, you guys, our subscribers, are the next ones to hit today's jackpot just like we have. You're going to be earning a lot from today's method, and we just want you guys to remember that so you have something to look forward to while we watch today's video. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First things first, open up youtube.com and then look up motivational videos, and obviously you're going to see all of the results of motivational videos come up. Now, don't get too ahead of yourself. You aren't going to be editing or creating any videos here. You also won't need a camera of any sort or even a YouTube account, so don't worry about that either. Anyway, you'll see that the top results come with millions of views, which is expected because it's the top result for solely that reason. Now let's go ahead and proceed to the real step number 1, which is first choose your 3 top videos from the results of what we searched for. And just set that aside. And then go ahead and visit uii.io. And on this website is where you can get paid PayPal money to have people click on your unique shortened links. This website is very easy to understand, and the whole process as well. First, you are going to have to create a uii.io account. Then you're going to shorten your links. In our case, those links that our top 3 chosen YouTube videos, and then finally you earn money with those shortened links. This is actually how people from all around the globe are getting paid easily and fast too. You're gonna get paid per person who clicks on your link, and the pay could even vary because each person is different, which is insane because that just means there's more earning potential and opportunity. To make you better understand what it actually means, just take a look over here. As you can see, if 1,000 people from the UK, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Sweden, Denmark, or the US viewed or clicked on your link, you're gonna get paid $6. If 1,000 people from the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, or Germany viewed or clicked on your link, you're gonna get paid $5. When 1,000 people from Mexico or Brazil views or clicks on your link, you're getting paid $3. If 1,000 people from Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, or Malaysia views or clicks on your link, you're going to get paid $2. And for the remaining countries, you're going to get paid $1. So that's what it basically means, and we're sure that you guys just got that. Now to get your links, just choose your YouTube videos, open them up, and click on the share button right here to copy the link. Go back to uii.io, paste the link, and there you have your shortened link. You're then going to copy that new link and share it to the world to be able to get paid, which should bring us to the next part of this entire process: getting the traffic we want or need, and how to get to our targeted audiences. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. And that's exactly what we're going to teach you. Now, before we go ahead to the websites that are going to get us our traffic and audience, we're first going to show you the script that you are free to copy from us that's going to really pull in the audience that we want. You can see it on our screen right now, and you can just easily copy paste that to the platforms that we're about to show you with your unique links attached to it, of course. Now obviously don't forget to sign up first on uii.io before you forget, but at least you already got the steps after signing up. Anyway, before we forget, just click on sign up free on the upper right corner of your screen, and that should take you to here. And all you have to do is follow per instruction, and boom, just like that, you should have an account of your own. Your dashboard should look like this, and this is how you're going to keep track of your audience and your earnings and all of the stats that you may need and want to really keep track of. To shorten your links, you're just going to click on this button right here, and then it's going to take you to here. And this is where you can really start the process of shortening your links. You can even put an expiration date if there is one, or if you want to put one on it, and you can even put an alias at the end. For example, we can put our channel Money Shark. So the link is going to have your alias at the end, which is pretty great. So the link / your alias Money Shark, and I think it gives it a really original touch. Then you're going to hit on shorten, and just like that, there you have it, your link. So just shorten all 3 of your links, copy all of those links and paste it on the script that we've prepared for you. And once that's all done, all you need to do is copy the whole thing, the whole script with your unique links attached to them, and then start distributing the post to the platforms that we're going to get to in a sec. But before that, we want you to save the file of your script and download it as a PDF file, and you'll find out why you'll need that in a bit. Anyway, once that's downloaded into your computer, we want you to go to slideshare.net, and this is the place where people upload informative and random files and documents, and you have this as an example. Now you want to sign up to do so. You're going to just click on sign up, which is right here, and just follow the steps to sign up. And as soon as you have an account of your own, all you have to do is click on upload, and then you're going to be brought to this page right here where you are going to be allowed to upload your own documents or files. And this is where we're going to upload our PDF file of our unique link and our script that we had just downloaded into our computer. This is how we're going to get our income started. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. This platform has over 160 million visitors monthly, which just goes to show that a lot of people are users, avid users of this website, and maybe even our fans. They come here to get information, to learn more, to know more, which is why this place is perfect to get the audience that we want and that we need to finally start earning money. And it's free, which makes it 100 times better than the rest of the websites that may cater to the same type of service. So go ahead and start earning today with today's method, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.